Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is the continuation of my kitchen makeover or winter refresh. I'm just adding a pop of color to spruce up the kitchen for the winter season. First and foremost, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers, and a thank you and a welcome to those who have recently subscribed. I greatly appreciate what you do each and every day to support my channel. Without you, I would not have a channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are not one of my subscribers, but you've come across this video and you like the content that you see, please take this opportunity to hit the subscribe button, click your notification bell, and make sure you click it twice so you too will be notified in the future when I upload content. I would love to have your support to my channel as well. In this video, I'm going to do a clean with me, a decorate with me, and at the end, of course, I'll show you the final reveal. And with that, let's get started. I'm at the end of this clean with me session. Just need to get this island cleaned off, and then I'm going to go ahead and start the decorating. I thank you for continuing to watch. In this next portion, you'll see where I'll integrate some old items that I've already had and some new decor pieces that I recently purchased. Please continue watching. As you can see, I am almost finished with the decorate with me portion on the far counters. I just need to complete the island, one or two more pieces to add, and I'll be done. Thank you for continuing to watch this video. Again, if you are not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button, click your notification bell, and you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. And with that, the big reveal is up next to show you the refresh of my kitchen.
Are you playing? Spotlight from my heart, sunshine. Are you playing? Spotlight from my heart, sunshine. Are you playing? I get you.
Seems so good.
Spotlight from my heart. Sunshine, my dear, why you playing? Just hope it makes no sense. Spotlight from my heart.
I want to thank you for connecting with me, hanging out with me today, and watching this video. Again, if you are not a subscriber and you like the content that you see, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button, click your notification bell, click it twice, so you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. One thing I want to make sure I point out that in this design, I tried to make sure that I didn't over decorate. That's why I intentionally left the countertop and the island over the sink where the bar stools are blank. That's so that your eyes would focus to the coffee bar behind it. Anytime you do your home decor designs and decorations, you want to make sure that you don't have items competing with each other. Thanks again for hanging out with me. This is Freddie King's Home Decor, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.